Hotel robots, poster passports and a cruise ship with a detour you won't believe. It's May 1st with Rattles. Opening brief. Hey. It's May 1st, and your girl Rattles is clocked in, bags packed, and ready to drop the freshest travel stories hotter than a window seat with no shade. If it's unbelievable wild, or just plain weird in the travel world, you already know I'm bringing it. Now let's get into today's trip, and trust me, you don't even need TSA pre-check for this one. First brief. Cruise ship accidentally docks at the wrong port. But passengers loved it. So a cruise headed for the Bahamas ended up docking in the Dominican Republic. Say what? The captain said it was due to a last-minute logistics change, but passengers weren't even mad. Apparently, the free beach buffet and surprise dance party on shore made up for everything. One traveler said, "This wasn't the vibe I booked, but it's the vacation I didn't know I needed." Shout out to being flexible, and getting bonus sand in your sandals. Second brief. Italian airport accepts pasta recipes for discounted flights. Yep. You heard me. An airline in Italy is now offering flight discounts in exchange for original pasta recipes. Travelers submit their best family dish online, and if it makes the cut, boom, you get flight credit. Somebody's auntie just paid for a Rome trip with her secret lasagna. Meanwhile, I'm still over here trying to figure out how to get points from microwaving ravioli. Third brief. Hotel in Singapore replaces bellhops with salsa dancing robots. A luxury hotel in Singapore rolled out AI-powered robot bellhops that not only carry your luggage, but they dance salsa while doing it. One traveler posted a clip of their suitcase moonwalking into the elevator like it just left a dance battle. Hotel says it's a blend of efficiency and entertainment. I say, if your luggage doing more footwork than you're on vacation, it might be time to hit the gym. Fourth brief. London adds rooftop tram rides with afternoon tea service. A new London attraction lets tourists sip tea on a vintage tram gliding across city rooftops. Pinkies up, just don't spill your biscuit over Big Ben. Fifth brief. Hawaii launches beach library pods for travelers who want to chill and read. Select beaches in Maui now feature shaded book pods where visitors can borrow books, charge phones, and sip coconut water while listening to wave sounds. Sixth brief. Thailand tests travel app that rewards tourists for eco-friendly behavior. Pick up trash, skip plastic, or take public transport, and the app gives you points for discounts at local restaurants and hotels. Travel with purpose, yo. Travel tip of the day. If your cruise makes an unexpected stop, take it as a bonus, not a problem. Sometimes the best adventures are the ones your itinerary didn't include. Closing brief. Aight fam, that's all for today's jet-setting joyride. I'll be back tomorrow to wrap up the week with more travel stories you couldn't make up if you tried. And if you're trying to book your own vacation, or submit a pasta dish just in case, head over to breathtakinglagoon.com. They got the search engine magic, you bring the vibes. Stay bold, stay booked, and please, don't challenge a robot to a dance-off unless you pack Bengali.